What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And today we have an offering from Makita. It is their subcompact combo kit. Why do we have this subcompact combo kit in the house? Being that it's not new, the reason we brought it in is because you requested it. Why have you requested it? Because of DeWalt's offering their new Atomic line of tools. We run a TTR here, which is called a tool test raw. Okay, we've ran the Atomic line of tools from DeWalt, and quite frankly, if you want to see the results, you could go right here, check out that video. But you said that we should be running these Makita tools in a TTR, in a tool test raw, against those Atomic tools, because they should be roughly the same size, power, blah, 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 platform. There's a lot of similarities, hence the reason they're here. We're going to get them unboxed so we could put them in a TTR in the past. If you've been around the channel, you'll know the inside joke. But for now, we're going to roll the intro. You can see 18-volt subcompact LXT lithium ion brushless two-piece combo kit from Skater. It's the LXT brushless. It's coming with a 3-year warranty, lithium ion and tool. Okay, it's got a 25-minute charge time. This is the thing, I gotta tell you, I'm gonna be honest with everybody, peoples. I never really looked too closely at these. Why? Well, I'm just gonna be honest with everybody, because I've been in the Milwaukee M12 platform for almost a decade, or however long it's been out. I've been in that platform. They do everything that I need for a compact drill driver. Impact driver, hammer drill, it does it. It gets the job done for me. I never really looked at these. I failed to notice something very significant about this subcompact line. Once I get it unboxed, I'll tell you about it. Okay, so you can see it's all metal transmission, delivers 0 to 1700 RPMs for a wide range of drilling and fastening applications in the drill. It's got a brushless motor, eliminates carbon brushes. It's got compact and ergonomic design at only 6 3/8 inches long, and it's 2.8 pounds. We'll confirm that. 4-stage LED gauge indicates battery charge level. Pretty cool on both tools. Here's a pretty awesome feature of this subcompact impact driver. It's got a 2-speed selector, where other offerings, like the DeWalt, has no speed selector. It's a single speed. This has 2. High speed, 0 to 3,000 RPM. Low is 0 to 1,300 RPM. It says helps reduce cam out and screw stripping by starting fasteners in low speed, then auto shifts to high speed. So, even on their subcompact line, they have features that are found in their full-size line on this. It's pretty cool. I gotta tell you, I like Skeeter. I do. Compact and ergonomic design for the impact, okay? It's 5 5/16 inches long, and it's only 2.6 pounds. We're gonna confirm that as well. It does have 1,240 inch-pounds of torque for a wide range of applications. So you can see the LXT advantages. It's got a rapid charging system, forced air cooling system in the charger. It's got star protection technology. Sounds like something you'd find in your Ford or Chevy. OnStar, they got star protection. It's got the Sync Lock LED battery. So it says secure your LED batteries with Sync Lock controller. The Sync Lock controller sets a unique digital identification for your LED batteries. Sync Lock controller purchased separately. Whoa. Ergonomically designed to fit the human hands. Best fit with even pressure and easy control. If you have anything other than human hands, you're out of luck if you want to operate your Makita tools. Whoa, I like it. So you open the box, out comes a bag. As you can see, it probably comes with a strap. It seems pretty sturdy, the bag. I will say this, the zipper seems okay. They don't look like KKYs to me. I don't know that there would be a problem long term, but maybe a little bit beefier of a zipper would be good. I don't know, it's just an observation. Let me know down in the comment section below, all you Makita people. You know, have you had problems with your zippers? We have the instructions for the impact driver. We have instructions for the cordless drill driver. We also have some literature that shows their entire expansive line of 18-volt tools. Pretty cool stuff. There is that shoulder strap okay, would attach onto the bag. And these points, I will say this, these are really, seem very sturdy. Pretty cool. Boom. You can sling it over your shoulder. I like that feature, I gotta tell you, not bad at all. So you also have a spot in here for maybe some driver bits. You could also put your literature so it doesn't get lost up here. This is Makita's rapid charger, okay, which is included pretty much in all their kits. This thing is very rapid and keeps the batteries extremely cool, which I like. If you wanted to see this charger in action, you can go on over to this video playlist. First out of the bag is the subcompact drill driver. You can see it's a 2-speed drill, okay? It is a clutched drill. Wow. I gotta tell you, the clutch has a nice tactile, as the kids call it. Here's the drill setting. It looks like you have 20 or more clutch settings. It is a plastic chuck. Not a big fan of plastic chucks, but hey, what are you gonna do? It's not bad, it's nice. Very compact, as well as the impact is very compact. I will say, I like that the belt clips come already installed. You can see, battery installed. The drill driver does weigh in at 2 pounds, 14.3 ounces. The length of the tool, you're looking at 6.38 inches. The width of this, unbelievably compact if you ask me. You're looking at 2.08 inches. And then overall height, we're looking at 8.9 inches. Makes for a pretty compact package. I will say this, the LED seems very bright. Okay, it has two. They're in the same space, but there are two LEDs if you look at it, okay? It sounds good. It is a brushless motor. Seems quick. Sounds powerful. Let's take a look at the impact driver. We got a weight of 2 pounds, 10.7 ounces. Now this thing really is subcompact if you ask me. So we're looking like we have a overall length of 5.32 inches. At its widest point, this subcompact impact driver is 2.136 inches. Look at that. Overall height, you're looking at 8.44 inches. Pretty cool. They seem very light, very compact. Now, if you want to see if they're powerful, you're going to have to head on over to this playlist here because these have already been in a tool test draw. And here is the awesome benefit or feature about these subcompact Makita tools. Where they're placed in the big box, in Home Depot, they're on an end cap. They ride right next to their 12-volt counterparts, which on the end cap are these. These are Makita's 12-volt tools. And as you can see, the subcompact 18-volt offering is even smaller than this 12-volt offering. Same thing with the impact drivers. This is the deal. I kind of never went on the recommendation of the Very Cool Gang to pick these up because when you see them at the depot, okay, they're usually like this. You know, they're on the display, and I'm thinking to myself, I don't want to be in another battery platform. I'm already in their full-size line of 18-volt tools. Okay, I love them. I'm already in that line. I don't want to be in this subcompact battery platform. I never took the time to realize that these are just 2 amp hour full-size 18-volt batteries. And if you wanted to, you can put a 5 amp hour or a 4 amp hour. Yeah, I know, stupid. I didn't take a closer look. But at least I'm man enough to admit it, okay, that I didn't look close enough. Good part is now I got 2 amp hour batteries for my full-size XDT12, right? Awesome stuff. So they're interchangeable. So if you're over at the depot, okay, and you're saying to yourself, man, do I go for something compact like the 12s? Or do I look at this subcompact line and you're already in the full size 18-volt line? You already have batteries for this line. Okay? Pretty awesome stuff. I will say this. That means if you have the charger, you'll already have a charger that will do, obviously, these 2 amp-hour batteries. I will say this. If you were considering this 12-volt line from Makita, these batteries don't fit on this rapid charger. You know, I know that they're more compact in that battery department, but I don't know. The tools themselves are more compact. There's some food for thought if you're trying to decide what to do. This subcompact line is not a new battery platform. And if you like tool offerings that don't require a new battery platform, then smash the like button. Also, if this is your first time here and you're not already, make sure you're getting subscribed and tapping the bell. I will say this. The XDT12 might be fatter, but it is shorter. With that, I want to say I appreciate every single one of you being here for this unboxing. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you all on the next one. Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.